Dogecoin is the 10th largest cryptocurrency and #1 meme coin. Tesla and Dallas Maverick are the few corporations that accept payment with the Doge. In addition, Robinhood and MasterCard around the world also accept Doge. For this video, we will tell you exactly what you should know before getting Dogecoin 2022. 6. Decentralized. Ethereum remains profitable due to its multiple points of value. Decentralized digital currencies would always perform better than others, especially in a market where highly rated currencies are tripping over. Hence, it makes sense that in Dogecoin news today, its proof-of-work algorithm makes it one of the most decentralized coins. Its decentralized theme draws more investors globally, as it can be mined anywhere. As meme coins become valuable and decentralization is the new goal, more people would cling to Dogecoin and its Doge token. As such, Dogecoin is one of the most profitable coins to buy today and the safest against inflation, a bear market, depreciation, and any other financial term for a bad macroeconomy.
More money.
Even in bad financial terms, Dogecoin could be a payment method for nearly 30 corporations at practically non-existent gas fees. We will give you the scope on Dogecoin's convenience shortly. 5. Market position. Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency, and others are alternatives due to being the premier coin. This market position has made it the biggest coin by a vast margin, with predictions of a $1 million price at the end of the decade. Similarly, Dogecoin's community rallies support with the market position of being the first meme coin. The tag alone has led Dogecoin and held it as the largest meme coin ever. In fact, when the market builds momentum again, Doge will be the first meme coin to profiteer from its utility and community before the rest. Thus, if you need to diversify your portfolio and want to include a meme coin, you already know which one would fetch you all that money. 4. Convenience. Dogecoin transactions are fast and do not cost much. That is essential, what every user will like to hear. Most decentralized currencies run out of business because of the speed and gas fees. We will not mention Ethereum because we are not here to shame anyone. But you know how something could be legal but feel like it needs to be illegal? Ethereum's $40 gas fees. The Dallas Maverick basketball team and nearly 30 other major corporations have adopted Dogecoin payments. Therefore, the future for Dogecoin is pleasantly bright, with a projection that more people will adopt it as a payment method. 3. Scalability. You can put this in the Dogecoin breaking news. They never have network challenges. The banks and financial institutions having their systems down and constantly shutting down to update can be annoying. However, even some cryptocurrencies have network challenges when millions of people use them at once. As I said, this is not a video to shame Ethereum, but a solution. Since Dogecoin does not have any of these problems, a wider adoption might be easier. Since 2009, currencies like Dogecoin, with little utility, have been introduced and discontinued because of these scalability issues. So it is essential to note that Doge has stayed consistent all these years. Another thing that has stayed consistent is the 5 billion Dogecoin distribution. Despite the positive feedback surrounding the currency, its 151% price increase could be dwarfed by too much supply. We will share news of the unlimited supply with you shortly. 2. Exchange count. All the top cryptocurrency exchanges list Dogecoin. In fact, Robinhood, the ultimate new school brokerage, even enlists the meme coin. The listing is monitored by various sources and cannot be manipulated. That is critical for the liquidity of the currency. Moreover, in a bull market, there are chances that the exchange's support could make Dogecoin more accessible. For example, in 2021, Robinhood led a buying craze for Dogecoin, which raised the prices. By May, the more popular a coin gets with exchanges, the more investors want to throw their money behind it. That is a solid reason to buy Doge now. Speaking of solid things, subscribe to this channel now. If you have watched this video until this point, you no longer need a reason. 1. Unlimited supply. Each year since 2013, 5 billion Dogecoins are circulated and stay within the ecosystem perpetually. This is one of the major setbacks for the currency. If you are investing in Dogecoin, note that unless these entire Dogecoins are absorbed by extreme demand, you will always be engulfed by too much supply.
Oh, snap.
In the short to medium term, a rising supply could dwarf the currency. Although when you think about longevity, widespread adoption could easily solve the problem. Most Dogecoin priced update videos factor this in and rate the currency lower than it should be. Because Dogecoin becomes a riskier investment than a currency with a low supply that is difficult to come by. Recently, Dogecoin has been trading at 80% of its all-time highs. Therefore, its risk-reward ratio points to buying right now. Roger Ver, also known as Bitcoin Jesus, an early investor in Bitcoin and other Bitcoin-related projects like Bitcoin Cash, said he had hope in Dogecoin. According to him, Dogecoin's advantage in both transaction costs and reliability is the reason I favor the currency. Further, companies like Tesla, with a long-term growth pattern, are accepting Dogecoin, which shows that the coin will last and meet its 151% Dogecoin price prediction for 2022.
Tesla.
Our previous video explored the possibilities and lack thereof in the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. If you are considering buying the SHIB, here are 5 reasons not to get Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu Facts 2022 you didn't know about.